Hi, good morning, children. Today's English note work is write two words for each word family. Okay, first write date on the margin, then write the heading. Write two words for each word family. Then I am giving you five word families: at, OP, op, UB, UB, EN, IG, IG. Five word families are there. Then think about 80 word family words. You can write cat, rat, isn't it? Like that, fill up all the five. Write two words. Then Malayalam note work is സ്വരാക്ഷരങ്ങൾ അ ആ ഇ ഈ ഉ ഊ ഋ എ ഐ ഒ ഓ ഔ ആ. Write one side. Write very neatly. Say and write. Thank you.